How to fix Windows 11 problems. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So before solving the problem, we will have to identify what our problem is. And to do so, simply go to your Start menu, then go to Settings. After that, simply search for Troubleshoot. Go to Troubleshoot Settings, then go to Other Troubleshooters. Now, simply go to any of this option and run the troubleshooter where you think the problem has been occurring. Simply go to run and then simply run some test. I am using or I am doing a network test. You can do any of it and see what the problem is. After that, you will be able to know how to solve it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.